In India, many people have PPF accounts, but majority of them don't know what is the best time to invest their money in it. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the best time to invest in a PPF account for the best results. There are generally two ways of investing. One is to invest a lump sum money, that is once a year, and the other is to add some funds every month. The minimum amount that you can deposit in PPF account is 500 rupees and the maximum limit is 150,000 rupees. If you have money and want the interest for the complete year, then you must deposit those funds in your PPF account before 5th April. If you do not have a lump sum of money, then you must go for the second option. In it, you can add your funds to your PPF account every month. But you must take care that these funds are deposited before the 5th of every month. If you deposit your funds in 1 to 4 of any month, then you will get the interest for that month also. So, in all, if you deposit on 1st April, you will get interest for the complete 12 months. Whereas if you deposit funds on 6th April, then you will get interest for only 11 months. Interest for PPF is calculated monthly but credited annually. Only the lowest balance between the 5th and the last day of the month is considered for interest for that month. For example, if you deposit 10,000 rupees on 4th August, then interest will be counted from August. Whereas if you deposit 10,000 rupees on 8th August, then interest will be counted from September. August will not be counted. Thus, a delay of 1 day will lead to the cut of interest for a complete month. So submit before the 5th of the month and avail the complete benefits. Lastly, we will take the example for the current financial year. Suppose you make a lump sum deposit of 1,50,000 rupees on 1st April, and in turn, you will earn 10,650 rupees for it. On the other hand, if you make deposits every month, such as deposit 12,500 rupees on 1st April to March, you will earn 5,982 rupees. Thus, it is clear that the amount you deposited at the end is the same in both cases, but the interest earned is different. If you deposit a lump sum amount in starting of April, you will get 10,650 rupees, while you will get only 5,982 rupee if you decide to deposit monthly. Hence, you have clearly understood that by investing the full amount at once, 1.5 lakh rupees on 1st April, you earn 4,668 rupee more in interest compared to investing 12,500 rupee monthly, even though the total amount is the same in both cases. To get more updates and tips, subscribe and like My Financial Era.